Good morning. Welcome to Coffee Spot. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, thanks. It's my first time here, so I'm still looking at the menu.
No problem at all. Take your time. Do you know if you'd like something hot or cold?
Hmm, I think I'd like something hot. Maybe a latte?
Great choice. We have regular, vanilla, caramel, hazelnut, and pumpkin spice lattes. Would you like any flavor?
Ooh, pumpkin spice sounds good. Is it sweet?
It's sweet, yes, but not too much. We can also make it less sweet if you prefer.
Let's do it with half the usual sweetness.
Sure thing. And what size would you like? We have small, 12 ounces, medium, 16 ounces, and large, 20 ounces.
Medium, please.
Would you like regular milk or would you prefer a milk alternative? We have oat, almond, soy, and coconut milk.
I'll go with oat milk, please.
Perfect. So that's a medium pumpkin spice latte with oat milk, half sweetness. Would you like it for here or to go?
I think I'll stay and sit for a bit. It smells really nice in here.
Thanks. We bake fresh pastries every morning. Would you like something to eat with your coffee?
Hmm, what do you have?
We have croissant, all plain, almond, and chocolate. There's also banana bread, blueberry muffins, and a vegan apple tart.
I'm kind of torn between the almond croissant and the banana bread.
Both are popular. The almond croissant is buttery and filled with almond paste. The banana bread is soft and moist, made with real bananas and walnuts.
Let's try the banana bread.
Great choice. Would you like it warmed up?
Yes, please. That sounds lovely.
Coming right up. Just a moment. Okay, so one medium pumpkin spice latte with oat milk and half sweetness for here, and a slice of warm banana bread.
Yes, that's right.
That'll be $8.75.
Can I pay by card?
Absolutely. You can tap here.
Perfect. Done.
Thanks. Do you have our loyalty card?
No, I don't think so. What's that?
It's free. You get a stamp for every drink you buy, and your 10th drink is on us.
Nice. Yes, I'd love one.
Here you go. I'll stamp your first drink now.
Awesome. Thank you.
No problem. Your order will be ready in just a few minutes. You can take a seat anywhere you like. We'll call your name when it's ready.
Thanks. Can I ask, do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the network is Coffee Spot Guest, and the password is Beans123.
Haha, cute. Thanks.
You're welcome.
A few minutes later.
Pumpkin spice latte and banana bread for Anna.
That's me. Thanks.
Here you go. Let me know if you need anything else.
This looks amazing. Smells great too.
Anna returns to the counter after a while.
Excuse me. This might sound silly, but what's the name of the blend you use for your coffee? It tastes different from most places.
Not silly at all. We use a medium roast from a local roaster. It's a Peruvian bean with chocolate and nutty notes.
That explains the flavor. Do you sell it?
We do. Right over there by the window. We have 12 ounces in 1-pound bags, ground or whole bean.
I might grab a bag before I leave. Thanks again.
Glad you enjoyed it. Let us know if you need anything else.
Actually, one last thing. Do you do iced drinks year-round?
We sure do. Iced lattes, cold brews, frappes, all available even in winter.
Cool. I'll try something cold next time.
Looking forward to it.